Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by daily? I bring that up because, yes, daily is the traditional method, but lots of times I'll do 30-minute time slices. But in this case, yes, each one of these candlesticks does indeed represent an entire day, which is what you would normally see. Did this analysis, I can't remember when, last week, several days ago, something, but that's where this orange line here is coming from. And as I talked about in that video, with these lower highs, while nothing is a guarantee, it wasn't necessarily suggesting that the bulls were gaining any sort of power. And today the bears showed up in a big way. And what do I mean by big way? That's just, I realize that's kind of just a soundbite, but that's what I like about charts is they actually allow you to quantify things. And when I say big way, I mean volume-wise. Look down here. By far the biggest volume this chart has had in literally months upon months. So a lot of selling hit it today. And, we'll see if things can recover or not. On that note, the main point of recovery comes about based on this former area of support. Going through the quick history of things, you can see that this $1.27 mark was indeed a level of support, including yesterday. The price actually held above it. But today, with the violation of it, this is where that rule in charting comes into play, that levels of support, when they are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $1.27, now one of the newest areas of resistance going forward if there is any sort of bounce at all. I'm just going to get rid of that line. Sure, it pertains, but not relevant anymore. In the event there's some sort of crazy bounce or something and the price actually gets up above $1.27, the next level to keep an eye on after that would be that purple line right there, the 50-day simple moving average. But one step at a time, and the first step is just simply trying to stabilize, and then you can worry and kind of focus more so on breaking levels of support. As far as areas of then you can focus on breaking areas of resistance. I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm keeping an eye on my scanners because there's quite a bit of after-hours movement right now. So shame on me. I'll get more focused here. Is this the lowest? There we go. So, yeah, so the price has not been down. We got to just go to the weekly chart here because this is getting too hard to see. So now each one of these candlesticks represents an entire week. So yeah, if the price cannot hold above this current area right here around the $1.20-ish mark, the next level of support not until down slightly below $1 at 97 cents, or if you want to just call it $1, that would work too. So the chart is definitely at a very critical area. Several times in the past, you can see here the price has bounced from this area. But yeah, that's going to be the big question going forward. And can history repeat itself like it's done before, or is this the start of something much bigger and much more bearish? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.